Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations.
Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's been making waves for its effectiveness in combating the signs of aging.
Get ready to discover the best moisturizer for aging skin over 40 available in the market. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Daily Facial Moisturizer with SPF 25 Sunscreen and Vitamin C. With over 14,000 ratings and counting, this Neutrogena moisturizer is not just any ordinary cream. It's packed with powerful ingredients like shea butter, glycerin, and vitamin C. Specifically designed to target 3 common skin issues that age you the most: wrinkles, uneven tone, and loss of firmness. What sets this moisturizer apart is its luxurious, creamy texture that feels like a treat for your skin. It's quickly absorbed, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and soft without any greasiness. Plus, the addition of vitamin C helps to brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots, giving you a radiant glow. But here's the kicker: Neutrogena didn't stop there. They've also included SPF 25 sunscreen in this formula to provide broad-spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays. We all know that sun exposure can accelerate the aging process. So having built-in sun protection in your moisturizer is an absolute game-changer.
Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the results they've seen with this moisturizer. From smoother skin to diminished wrinkles, the reviews speak for themselves. Whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, this Neutrogena gem is a must-have in your skincare arsenal.
There you have it, folks, the ultimate solution for aging skin over 40. If you're ready to turn back the clock and unveil a more youthful complexion, look no further than Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Daily Facial Moisturizer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products hitting the shelves. Until next time, happy skincare shopping.